you guys have come. I'm looking so tense, right? Yes. Because I'm thinking about my job. I can handle my job to continue or not. Seriously. In this time, सच में मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ. But I'm really thankful to my current job because it is paying me very well. Thanks to my MD of my company. So मैं थोड़ा सा जॉब क्राइसिस जो चल रहा है उसमें देख रही थी, क्योंकि ये कोरोना वायरस सिर्फ जान तो नहीं ले रहे पर जॉब भी खा रहे सबका. So this lethal corona pandemic has not created only medical emergency but also created employment crisis across the country. International Labour Organization states in its report ILO Mentor second edition, this coronavirus pandemic and the world of work as the world global crisis since Second World War. Research states 23.48% it raised, this unemployment rate. Earlier we have seen lots of discussion, we have seen lots of debate on the 7 to 8% unemployment rate, and that's really very higher on that point of time. And I'm sorry, I'm getting very much overexcited. And in this point of time, it's 24%. It's really, really very shocking. So you can understand maximum people are not getting any job. They're home. Seriously, I have no word to say. I'm speechless. According to report by press, about 400 million people are working in informal economy in India, and their lives are at stake due to coronavirus pandemic or falling deep into poverty that is creating catastrophic consequences. It is expected to wipe out 195 million full-time jobs or 6.7% work hours globally in second quarter in this year. It's really very sad, right? The informal sector got hit by this COVID pandemic. Research says that all cash-starved businesses means they do not have enough fund to grow their business. They either shut their shop or they are delaying salaries to their worker. Okay, in this part, if I'm talking about the cash-starved businesses, right? They're shutting their business up. मेरे एक रिलेटिव है जान पहचान वाला. He was working in hotel industry and that hotel was a second star. And उनके जो ओनर है वो बहुत अच्छा खासा कमा रहे थे. Don't you think that he has no humanity to pay their exact amount? उनके पास इतने करोड़ कमा चुके, कितना करोड़ कमा चुके वो, फिर भी वो नहीं दे पा रहे उनके वर्कर को. वो अगर चाहते, if they want, पूरे दुनिया को वो लोग ऐसे ही एक महीने क्या पूरे साल बिठा के खिला सकते हैं. इस दुनिया में बहुत रिच पीपल है ना. अभी भी मैं तो सेलिब्रिटी लोगों को देखती हूँ, नाच रहे, खाना बना रहे. They're enjoying their life, really. Enjoy the lockdown, they're enjoying their quarantine. Are you not a part of your country? I don't think so. आई थिंक ऑब्वियसली आपने पता नहीं मेहनत की कमाई है, क्या की कमाई है, आपकी कमाई में आप जी रहे हो, एंजॉय कर रहे हो। इस टाइम तो वो माइग्रेंट वर्कर लोग दे आर स्ट्रगलिंग, राइट, दे आर डाइंग ऑन रोड। एक बच्चे की माँ मर रही है प्लेटफॉर्म में उनके बच्चे को छोड़ के। इट्स रियली आयरॉनिकल। मुझे हंसी आती है कभी कभार इस सब दुनिया में। इट्स रियली वेरी सैड। सो लेट्स कम बैक टू द पॉइंट व्हाट आई हैव रिसर्च। सो इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर बहुत ज़्यादा दे गॉट हर्ट वेरी बैडली compared to 2019 following the lockdown to tackle the COVID-19. This decline activity got led by the hotel, restaurant, travel and airlines. It's a 54%. Retail sector is 50%. Auto ancillary 38%. Pharmaceutical company 26%. Insurance 11%. Accounting and finance 11%. And IT software 9%. And BFSI, banking, finance, service, insurance 9%. So you can see the graph, what's going on in our country, right? I know guys, there is a crisis, but there is a solution. Some businesses are starting, some businesses are still going. I will tell you which sector will be comfortable to work for. Do not worry, have fun. And if you like my video, please like my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so that you will be notified about my all videos. Till then, thank you so much.